If you want to hide your YouTube channel or channel content without deleting everything and you're not sure where the option is, this video will walk you through the exact steps. First, open a web browser and go to youtube.com. Then sign into your account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select View Your Channel. As you can see, this channel has 2 videos. Now, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, click Settings from the left menu. Select Channel, then open Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you see Remove YouTube Content. Click it and verify your account if prompted. On the next screen, choose I want to hide my content. Tick these 2 checkboxes. Click Hide My Content and confirm it. Your channel and content will now be hidden from the public. If you open your channel in an incognito window, you will see this message. This channel has no videos. Now, to unhide your channel or content later, sign back into YouTube and go to YouTube Studio. Go to the Content tab. Select all the videos and click Edit. Then select Visibility. Choose Public and click Update Videos. Confirm your action. Once restored, your videos and content will become visible again. That's how to hide and unhide your YouTube channel or content. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.